In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a digital camera for Zoom. Whether you're prepping for a professional meeting or a virtual gathering, using your digital camera can significantly enhance the video quality. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure a smooth setup. First, you'll want to make sure that your digital camera or webcam is properly connected and set up on your computer. This is crucial, as Zoom needs to recognize the device to access it. Ensure all necessary cables are securely in place, and if your camera requires a specific app or driver, make sure that's installed before you proceed any further. Now that your camera is ready, we'll head over to Zoom. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. When you arrive, locate and click on the Sign In feature. This will prompt you to log into your account. You'll see the option to log in directly with Google, which can be a quick and easy way to access your Zoom capabilities provided you use the same Google account regularly. Once redirected to the Google sign-in page, enter your details and select your account to proceed. After successfully signing in, now you're ready to join a meeting. Look for the option labeled Join a Meeting and click on it. If you're hosting, you'll instead be looking for ways to begin your session, but for today, let's focus on joining as a participant. As the meeting interface loads, locate the camera or video settings icon. Typically, this is an upward arrow found right beside the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Click on this arrow to reveal a list of camera devices recognized by your computer. This is where you get to choose your digital camera from the list. Selecting the right camera might sound simple, but here are a couple of tips. Ensure your chosen camera is powered on and not in sleep mode. If your computer doesn't list the camera right away, try refreshing the settings. Make a habit of double checking that the chosen camera has a clear lens and the correct focus settings for optimal video quality. Now that you've selected your digital camera as your preferred video source, you'll need to make sure everything is working correctly. A good approach is to do a quick test call, perhaps with a friend, to check the framing, lighting, and sound. Adjust your camera settings accordingly to fit the environment you are in, and remember to always test before going live to avoid any surprises. There you go, a straightforward guide to using your digital camera with Zoom. By following these steps, you're all set for clear, professional quality video calls. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these instructions as you get familiar with the setup. Stay tuned for more guides to enhance your video conferencing experiences.